Inside every nerd is a spark that ignites our ability to reimagine what's possible. It's this spark. It's this spark. It's this spark. A tiny fire that propels us into the future. Because when it's joined with the right drive, the right people, the right partnerships, the spark empowers us.
But this spark also needs the right place to thrive. A place where insight, innovation, and expertise are celebrated. Where we forge partnerships, invest in collaboration, and have each other's backs.
Where we uphold our commitments, earning the trust of our clients. Where our growth is not only encouraged, but expected.
Where we tackle critical challenges in creative ways across strategy, design, and technology to achieve business goals. Where we're proud to be our authentic selves, curious, fearless nerds. Well, not totally fearless. There are heights and spiders, after all.
Where we're not defined by our job titles, but by the impact we make. Where we can take ownership and act, take a chance, take the initiative, look for opportunities to lead. Where we're driven to realize the potential all around us. Where we do what's right. This is the place where it happens, where we light that spark. For ourselves and for our clients.